What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today you joined me here at a Katy Car Meets event. I have not been to one of these in actually quite some time. I really haven't been to that many car meets in the last 2 months. It feels like every time there's a car meet it rains. So I'm gonna start taking more advantage of some opportunities we get with some of these other meets that I haven't been going to so much. And here we are, Katy Car Meets. There's a lot of chargers and challenges up front here. We're at a taco place, and it should be getting popping here any minute now. It's 8 o'clock. The meet has just officially started, so I'm sure there'll be plenty more boys rolling in. So stick around, hang out, watch the video, enjoy. Hopefully we get some sends. Let me know what your favorite car was in the comments down below. And also remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet. If you're looking for anything at all, new, pre-owned, I probably got it for you. I have some great deals as well for you. So hit me up, let's get you rolling. You can email me or shoot me a message here on Instagram anyway. And let's get right at the show. The Mopar boys are here in numbers. Chargers everywhere you look. Got the white wide body here. Little, I'm blanking on the color name, but a little scat pack here. Orange previous gen Chargers. Well, I really like the previous gens. Looks like he's got some Raystar Recluses on here as well. I actually really like these wheels. They look like the Z28 5th gen wheels, which I really like. And you got an Inferno Orange 5th gen, it looks like. And some other boys over here, including a C7. The off-road boys are out in numbers, a lower truck, and some JDM as well. Looks like we got a Celica. Let me clean a little GR Corolla. We definitely got one here, looking good. And over here we got a Eclipse, also. Nice little addition in the parking lot. So I'm learning something new every day, boys. It's an Eclipse GSX, so top of the line, all-wheel drive, and I particularly like the color. There we go. Oh my goodness! I love E92 M3s, man. But the law of the land with the BMWs is the better they sound, the less reliable they end up being. But this thing is sick. Black E92 on the TEs. This thing looks boosted too. What you got there, Bubba? Hold on. Oh my goodness, it sure is boosted. All right, so my followers always ask me, man, they want me to go and talk to people about their builds. Can you tell me a little bit about the setup here?
Supercharged, ESS supercharged.
There we go. You know how much power it makes?
Well, this is my second motor in it.
Oh.
So it's on the stock 625 pulley right now, but it was making 700 wheel before. But I'm scared to blow it up again.
Yeah. I was just joking when you were backing in. The better the BMW sounds, the less reliable they tend to be. If you want to drop a follow on the build, 4-inch Supra, I'll have it on screen for you boys so y'all can go check them out. Looks like we got a C6 Grand Sport here with the ZR8X wide body kit. This is a wide boy over here. Aftermarket wide body in the Grand Sport, so it's even wider than the Grand Sports typically are. He's got some deep dish Strass wheels on this thing, and if you look real close back there, you see a little bit of a surprise. Then next to him, we got the white on white down to the socks RPF 1's Mark III Supra. That's clean. We got a 6th gen rolling in with the 1LE wing on it. Then you got a gutted Stinger. He's got like the middle of the bumper deleted. It's kind of crazy. Gap cam out back. That thing sounds actually like really wild. License plates walk, that's hilarious. Then you got the, I'm blanking, Atomic Orange C6. I think that's Atomic Orange, boys. I get it in Daytona Sunrise mixed up, but that thing is clean. Before it gets popping, we got an order of quesadillas, some borracho beans coming out. And drop this place a follow. I'm no Spanish speaker, so I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, but there you go. Drop them a follow on their socials. Show some love. All right, boys, hopefully I don't get demonetized from the music behind me, but we got the quesadillas. We got an order of borracho beans that they gave me for free. And then in here, I believe, the sweet reveal of the consomme. There we go. Some strawberry horchata to round off the gang. Let's get into it. Alrighty, boys, we are properly full. I have eaten lots of tacos just now. It's delicious, by the way. Now let's check out what else is rolled up. Got a clean little G80 rolling up. Nice. Got a drifty slidey boy rolling up. Dang, this thing looks crazy. These wheels are nuts. Got the M8 Grand Coupe here. Those wheels are insane, brother. Got the homie rolling up in the F-150. He'll give us a send later, I'm fairly confident. Jesus. That thing sounds hilarious. What the hell? More Mopar boys rolling on up. We got a Challenger and looks like a wide body Charger. Nice, a little wide body Scat Pack and Frostbite. Oh, even more Mopar boys. We got a, looks like a Hellcat. It's done up to look like a red eye. I don't think that's a red eye though. That color's cool. It's pretty clean. That color's super nice, man. Oh, hell yeah, brother. The rat rod, the sticker. Incredible. Will he give us some gas? Let's find out, boys. What? That's a 4-wheel slingshot. Got a clean little 1 Series here rolling in, looking good. And a super clean G80. That thing is sick. But now we got the wide body C6 Grand Sport here from Super Vents. Well, boys, there it seems we have the thumbnail. And right on time, we have the nice old school boxy Volvo. I love like the German, Norwegian, European cars in general of like the late 90s, early 2000s with the boxy looks. These like the E30, E36 BMWs, the like Mercedes 190s and stuff. I love them. And the Lotus, or the Vauxhall Lotus Carlton or whatever. So sick. Got an S197 rolling in on a set of Hoosiers, and the cops rolling in the background. Bro got the flame kit going. Wide body FRS. A Ginny Coupe with a crazy bumper and a chassis mounted wing. And then a slammed purple Infiniti. There we go. I think those are cool little cars too, man. H-10 holding it down, boys. Chopping on blades. Yes, sir. You mind being in the video real quick? What's the setup here? What am I looking at?
What you're looking at?
What's the...
It's a 350 coming from the Camaro 75.
There we go. Nice, man. Cool build. That little thing's cool, man. All right, boys, the lot is totally full, and I don't really think anybody can leave. I think I gotta go to the next exit. This boy got the shiesty on in the AMG. Out of pocket. And then he got a Ferrari red M4. Bro's exhaust pointing towards the sky. What are you doing, brother? We do got ourselves a nice little new GT500 and a 350. Which one do you take, boys? 350 or 500? We got the 335. Oh, never mind. next to the sheriff. I don't think I've ever seen a high ramp with a Charger. The V6 Camaro doing a burnout. No way. We gotta go check this thing out now. They got the skinnies, the slicks, big old tires in the back. It don't look like this window rolls down, brother. What's done to this thing? Small black? Man, I wish I could show y'all through video how this thing smells. And this thing sounds crazy too. Monte Carlo SS on a tire. Is it a Monte Carlo SS? I don't know. It's some sort of G-body. Hell yeah, brother. Go Burnouts. The car scene in 2024 is something else, man. The doors go up, yes sir. Oh my God, he's gonna catch the grass on fire. Do something cool. Old school cool, man. Yes, sir. For the boys! For the boys!
He was trying to do a burnout.
The tow truck getting towed. Crazy. I just missed the O. No way, dude. They're both going. That LS4 Impala SS just did a flyby in front of the cops and got popped, and my battery died. There goes 2 more cops for that Impala SS. It's insane. Do something cool. That dude slid in front of the cop. Oh, he's going for him. Bro's license plate was kidless. Supra?
Yeah, no, yeah, the Supra, and then also
H-Time, hold it down. Yes, sir. Bro got the cow hood on the slab. What? Bro is just vibing. Does that thing do burnouts? Whoa! This thing sounds crazy. He got the boys in there. They're rolling deep. Hell yeah. Oh no, the cop's getting the Porsche. That thing do burnouts? Tires. Okay, my gun. Waiting for getting a quesadilla for Allie, and that Infinity that was revving broke down. That Infinity that was revving broke down. Crazy. I miss them, but him and his boys were pushing them in with the cops guiding them. Alrighty, boys, I'm sure you can see most of the parking lot is empty now. That last group of cars was literally parked perfectly to block me into my spot, so I had to stick around for it. But It was a solid meet. There was some crazy sins. There was gunshots with those dudes shooting flames. I don't know if I got those gunshots on camera or not, but that was crazy. There's lots of cool builds and stuff like that. Twin turbo Mustangs, wide body C6s. You can't go wrong with anything like that, but hopefully you boys enjoyed. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet. You can shoot me a message on Instagram or email me. I'll put them both on screen here, and I hope you get your new car. But on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video, boys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.